In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 404 page not found error in Shopify. A 404 error usually means a page was moved or renamed, and customers are landing on a dead link. The quickest way to fix that inside Shopify is to create a URL redirect so anyone hitting the old address is sent automatically to the correct page. I'll walk you through the exact steps and offer a few tips to make sure the redirect works cleanly. Begin by opening the Shopify website and signing into your store. Once you're inside the Shopify admin, look at the left-hand menu and click on Content, then select Menus. This section is where Shopify groups site structure tools, and it's where the URL redirects link lives. When the Menus page opens, find and click the URL Redirects button. That brings you to the Redirect Management area, where existing redirects are listed and new ones can be created. Next, click the Create URL Redirect button. That opens a simple form with two fields. In the Redirect From field, enter the old URL that currently shows the 404 error. For clarity, you can enter the path portion of the URL. For example, use old page rather than the full domain. But be consistent with slashes so the redirect matches what users are visiting. In the Redirect To field, enter the new URL where you want visitors to land. This should be the working page on your site. Again, you can enter the path or the full URL if you prefer. Either works as long as it points to the correct destination. After you've entered both addresses, click Save Redirect. Shopify will add the rule, and it will take effect immediately. A best practice is to keep a short, descriptive note elsewhere for any redirects you create, so you remember why they were added, especially if you're managing many URL changes. Finally, test the old URL to verify the redirect works. Open a browser or an incognito window, paste the old address, and confirm you're taken to the new page without landing on a 404. If it doesn't redirect, double-check the paths you entered for typos, watch for trailing slash differences, and clear any browser cache before testing again. That's all there is to it. Sign into Shopify, go to Content then Menus, open URL redirects, create a new redirect, enter the old and new URLs, save, and test. Doing this keeps customers and search engines from encountering dead links and helps preserve your site's traffic and rankings.